So let's talk about the clutch line. The clutch line will share the brake fluid reservoir. As you can see here, there is a line here that's been pinched off. What we need to do is cut that pinch off, wire it to the firewall here. And then from there on, we're going to hook up the reservoir line to here. Imagine this has already been mounted to the firewall in the car. From there on, the fluid will get pushed from the pedal through to the cylinder down here. And this clutch line will actually get routed around up and through the front differential, down along the drive tunnel, where, see if we can zoom in, it will go down through here and hook up underneath the transmission. So right here, this is what the clutch line looks like. This is not an OEM clutch line. It is a flexible line, and the OEM clutch line is just a steel tube, basically, that if you were to use the OEM clutch line, you would have to basically drop the front differential, which I opted to not do. I figured this will be a way faster job to route because it's flexible. You can bend it, you can just route it through underneath the drive tunnel and then start bleeding the clutch line once this is all installed. And once we snake everything through the drive tunnel here, this is the front of the car now, we snake it alongside the differential. There is a, if I can, there you go, there is a clip here that I could clip in the line. And if we turn around, right here, there is another clip that I found. If I can find the clip. Right here, there is another clip right there that I've clipped on and then able to then snake everything through right here to basically the footwell, the bottom of the footwell right here. Right here, there is a black grommet that you need to take out and then replace it with a new grommet along with the clutch line that goes through here. So the next step is to route the reservoir line to the clutch cylinder that is now installed here through the firewall. If I zoom out a little bit. So basically what I need to do is hook up a plastic line that goes from here. You can see here, right there. Hook that up and route it through here. And that reservoir line will feed in the rest of the clutch line in order for me to push on the clutch and provide hydraulic pressure. Once that's routed, I will then go ahead and bleed the line and everything should work. I need to test it out. If I push on the pedal and it bounces back, it springs back, I know that the hydraulic line has been installed correctly and we have a clutch. Clutch line has been installed. So here's the new clutch line. It's a braided stainless steel line that I got. Since this is not an OEM line, what I had to do, I realized that, like, okay, I would add in some padding because there may be some rubbing on parts that the line may be touching. So I've added some high temperature, right here you go, high temperature tape that will help with any possible rubbing on these lines here. So basically that's the clutch line. It goes all the way to the left side of the car through here alongside the motor mount here. And down, if you go here, down through the left-hand side of, right here, of the drive tunnel. And here is where the clutch line is routed inside the car. You can see the clutch pedal has been installed. And you can see, zoom in here, that's where the clutch line goes, and then up it goes and snakes through here, connected to the primary clutch cylinder.